My name is Zach Kimball. I am the surveying manager for LPR Construction. We utilize Trimble RTS robotic total stations here at LPR Construction, as well as Trimble FieldLink software for our surveying needs and our field data collectors to operate our Trimble FieldLink software in the field. So the process that we utilize from pre-construction into the field surveying in construction is we get the model from our engineers in Tekla, but we also use Trimble FieldLink in the office as well. We also utilize Tekla and integrate that with the Trimble FieldLink software to get the model into our surveying program so that we can generate points on the fly out of the model while we're surveying in the field. We create points in both programs. If we know ahead of time what points we want, like the anchor rods, we will generate those in Tekla because we can do that very quickly with the point creator tool in Tekla. That will generate the points very fast on an anchor rod component or a center of column component, and it generates hundreds of points very fast. If we are in need of a point that we didn't know about, that will be created in Trimble FieldLink out in the field. So we are getting point creation in both programs. The point applicator tool in Tekla itself has been an amazing time saver. I can tell it to please grab the anchor rod top dead center and create points on every single anchor rod, and I hit a button and it's done in a matter of minutes. Where if I had to create in CAD before a bunch of points by hand and calc them all out by looking at the drawings, it would take me a few days to do all that on a big job with thousands of anchor rods. So you're talking another time savings there of days versus minutes. On top of that, we can take an IFC out of our Tekla models and integrate that Tekla model into our surveying program, the Trimble FieldLink, and then the model and all the components come into our surveying program, and we can navigate the model in Trimble FieldLink and generate points on the fly in the field. So that has really helped us become more efficient. I've found that Tekla is extremely important for me to have for the components to come in the way that I like them. They do work very well with each other.